Okay, so for part 4, I'm going to be doing more explaining and not typing this time. So, for the sake of being able to run everything, I did a factory time reset, so I'm going to run everything again real quick that I had up until now. Giving it a second, alright? And so this is what we had before to solve for the Rosenbrock under the constraint. Had that, and it took a second and a half or so, some significant amount of time. So now, instead, we're now using Lagrange multipliers directly rather than just in an indirect manner like before. This is the Lagrange function. This value right here, the x2, is the multiplier. And then using it, boom. That was, you might not believe me, that was probably quicker than before. So this time, we would, can't talk. For this one, we're going to be doing an inequality. So to do that, this extra slack variable was inserted. And then over here, we're going to the third position for the Lagrange multiplier. So run that to define. Oh, and I even had the this time the function in here, and that's why it took a hot second, because I was just solving for it like that. And then now trying to solve for it with the constraint. It solves it. You notice that it actually doesn't even fully reach it, and that's part of the thing of the Rosenbrock function, is we got different results between the two because it's so difficult. There are different ways to improve the Broyden method that I didn't touch upon today that can help fix this part of it. But I think that this is enough for now.